I watch hundreds of tutorials, so you only have to watch 2. Today we are covering Google AI Studio. 2 videos, 5 key moments. Let's get into it. So Google AI Studio can read an entire book. I uploaded one, asked it to find every risk mentioned, and it pulled a clean list so fast, it felt too good to be true. That is the kind of power just sitting there for free. And today I'm going to show you how to use it without getting lost. Here is the part most people do not believe. No subscription, no credit card, no secret upgrade button. But people think it is only for developers, but it's not. Regular folks like you and I can use it. A quick one though, free does not mean unlimited. There are usage limits depending on the model that you choose. And if you hit one, nothing is broken. You just simply reach the cap. Also, if you are using the free version, please do not paste anything sensitive or confidential because your prompts can be used to improve the model. That only changes if you move to a paid setup later. But for learning and testing, the free version is more than enough. Meanwhile, Google quietly dropped a workspace where you can upload a massive report, a contract, a textbook, and actually have a conversation with it. Ask what matters most, where are the risks, what should I do next? And that is the real power, the fact that it can help you get your work done. Setup is ridiculously simple. Go to aistudio.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and you are in. Quick orientation. You will see a left panel, but ignore most of it. Playground is where you actually work. Build is where you turn prompts into simple apps. You turn simple prompts into usable apps. That is it. Tutorials were filmed before the layout changed a little bit recently, but Playground is still the center of everything, so do not stress. Here's the part you came from, the 2 videos. And I'll tell you the exact moments to watch and to focus on so you do not waste a single time while you are trying to learn this tool. Video 1 is the mechanics, and this is your foundation. The creator I have chosen is Santrel Media. Title is Google AI Studio Tutorial, Beginner to Expert in 10 Prompts. I picked this tutorial because Santrel does not over-explain. You build alongside him with 10 prompts, and by the end, you are not guessing anymore. You are moving quickly. 2 moments that matter most in this video. First is model selection. It shows you when to use Pro for deeper thinking and when to use Flash for speed. This fixes the most common mistake where people pick the wrong model and then blame the tool. Second is the system instructions. This is the feature that separates casual users from people who get incredible results. So instead of repeating yourself every prompt, you set the rules once. You tell the AI who it is, how it should respond, what it should prioritize, and it stays consistent for the whole session. Go to 10:31. That is the moment it clicks. After this video, you will move through AI Studio like you have used it for months. But here is the trap though. Knowing where to click does not mean knowing what to do. You can finish the mechanics, open the tool, and still stare at the screen like, okay, now what's next? Video 2 is the system, and this is your edge. The creator I have chosen is Salem, and the title is Master New Google AI Studio in 23 minutes. This one is different because Ali does not show you the features. It shows you a mindset, a workflow, a way to think with the tool. And its method is simple. Ask, get an answer, improve, repeat. Ask, get an answer, improve, repeat. You stop expecting perfection on the first try and start treating the AI like an assistant you are training in real time. 3 moments that matter in this video. 5:52 is iteration in action. 15:27 is temperature and top P. 18:59 is grounding with Google search. Santrel gives you the mechanics. Ali gives you the system. Mechanics first, system second. That is the order. Here's your weekend assignment. Open Google AI Studio while you watch Santrel. Pause after each prompt and try it yourself. Then watch Ali and do not copy the outputs. Copy the process. 2 videos, 5 key moments. Links are in the description below. I am not affiliated with either channel. These are simply the 2 best tutorials I have found. Subscribe if you want more like this because this channel stays focused. Next video, I am doing this for another AI tool. Same format, same promise. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.